scientists, it's Dr. Pumpkin again with some more amazing science of colour experiments for you to try at home in between now and seeing us again at the British Motor Museum. Today's experiment. You don't have to leave the comfort of your home to go on a cosmic journey through space. But how? I'm sure the professor would know. I wonder what he's up to right now. Anyway, to go on your cosmic journey and make your milk planets, all you need are some clean jam jar lids, some clean cotton buds, some dish soap in a little bowl, some milk, but ask your grown-ups first if you're allowed the milk, and a couple of different colours of food dye. I put down a tea towel or something on your table just to make sure you don't get food dye everywhere too. To make your planet, just pour a little bit of milk into the bottom of your jam jar lid, just enough to cover the bottom of it. Then you need to put a couple of drops of each colour of food dye in. So I'll just put a couple of drops of green in. You might want a grown-up to help you with this bit. I'm going to put some red in as well, just for a bit of contrast. We'll see what happens. A couple of bits of red. That should do. Then I'm going to dip my cotton bud into my dish soap, like this, and then I'm going to swirl it around in my milk solution and see what happens. Really cool patterns, aren't they? But why do they happen? Well, it's all thanks to something called surface tension. You see, inside the milk there are things called molecules, and molecules want to cling together really tightly. They're always pulling together, and this is called surface tension. When you add your washing up liquid, it means that these molecules are not clinging together as tightly as before. They start to space apart. This means that the surface of the milk starts to move and you get all these swirly patterns with your food colouring. And that's what I call the Milky Way. See what patterns you can create. Have fun, scientists, and see you next time.